Hello everyone, I am Leila from the University of Technology, Mauritius. The title of the paper I am presenting right now is The Digital Packaging Design, a Multisensory Approach to Stimulate Positive Product Evaluation Using Accessible Technology in the COVID-19 Period. The digital environment has become the center of the world with COVID-19 crisis. E-commerce is experiencing an unprecedented expansion due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Consumers have drastically changed their buying behavior due to the persisting lockdown situation. Businesses have been readjusting their strategies to respond to consumers' needs and to survive the economic turning point. The immediate need to exist online to reach consumers on a 24/7 basis has flooded the online retailing environment with a plethora of products, creating fierce competition within the e-commerce market. The forced transition is a challenge for many businesses new to the digital environment. Consumers new to online shopping often struggle to process information because of limited products description and images. It is now more than ever vital to exist in a digital world with distinctive competitive edge. However, investing in emerging technologies is not at the reach of every business owners facing the digital restructure. The present study aspires to combine accessible technology with multisensory strategy and digital packaging design to attain the competitive design needs confronted by businesses compelled to move to e-tailing environment, to also contribute to stimulating positive product evaluation, and to finally address the challenge of connecting online shoppers to products emotionally with practical strategy. Now we come to the methodology. There were four main steps, starting with an observational study on phases of online shopping. For literature, the study adopted existing theories involving website design, packaging design, and multisensory design. Verbatim was conducted to mainly collect business owners' experiences and online shoppers' emotional involvement and expectations regarding packaging design at different online shopping phases. Survey collected multisensory packaging design features as indicators for positive product evaluation in e-tailing. Observational study revealed that there are five main phases in online shopping. The first phase identified is browsing. It is the moment where brands fight for online shoppers' attention and interest. Online shoppers look for products, compare products' descriptions and prices, and verify authenticity and reliability of the offer during that phase. Effectiveness of brand visibility is critical here. The second phase includes adding to cart, and the third phase is placing order. Both requires positive product evaluation to maximize the chance a product is being considered for purchase. Phase 4 is shipping, and phase 5 is the delivery phase. Statistical method was used to analyze data collected for the survey. A set of variables having multisensory attributes were identified and tested as indicators for product evaluation in e-tailing. As illustrated in the bar chart, after touch perception, smell perception, form and layout strategy are among the leading features measured as apt to evaluate product positively during online shopping. To be able to develop the strategy, factor analysis and hierarchical cluster analysis using Ward's method were conducted on all retained variables, and 5 clusters were identified. Cluster 1, with 5 variables related to labeling, layout strategy, structural design of packaging, was named Packaging Key Traits. Cluster 2, with 3 variables related to labeling, theme, sensory experience, especially sound, and then cluster 3 with 3 variables with similar category as cluster 2, labeling, theme, representation, sensory experience, but this time especially sight, were combined to form the theme experience strategy. Cluster 4, with 2 variables related to color, sight experience, was named color recommendation. Cluster 5, with 2 variables related to imagery and sound experience, was named product showcase. Now let's have a look at the design strategy dimension. Packaging trait for the present research context put emphasis on structural design and layout strategy for both product packaging and delivery packaging, so that online shoppers view the 2 types of packaging while shopping online. Theme experience included guidelines for the visual representation of the product nature or category implemented with related sound. According to Yulton et al., sound associated to visuals can strengthen multisensory experience. Hence, theme experience was established as an instrument providing multisensory experience for interactive appearance concept. Color recommendation was considered as adequate instrument to contribute to evaluate product positively, since color is a fundamental visual feature in packaging design, website design, and consumers' emotional and sensory experience. Product Packaging Showcase revealed guidelines on visual and auditory presentation of brand and product. This design instrument is expected to be available as option to complement visual and written communication of brand and product features. The proposal is consistent with Karimov et al. Theory on factors involved in inducing trust in online environment. A visual reference for the concept developed as interactive appearance is presented here on a fictitious basis. The fictional context is considering a floral and herb-based facial care line using organic concept. The e-tailing website gallery view, as seen in the diagram here, show the interface wireframe and also showcase 8 products at a time. The brand is proposing one product line having 4 variants. With a mouse over the gallery view, or a click, the picture of the products are enlarged. Let's say the online shopper sees the product as interesting, will click on one product and the product will zoom in. Here the use of the concept of peeled label is being used to create the interactive appearance of the label. So you click on the arrow and the label will flip open. You keep clicking on the label to see all the pages involved. The peeled label idea is used to create an emotional connection with the audience. Since this is a familiar feature they are used to, it is easier for them to visualize the product as they would do in a real-life context. All imagery labels provide hyperlink to additional information. For example, if you click on the image, you will access more information and a stop motion animation or a video that showcase features of the packaging and the product. The interactive appearance concept was established as a tool that provides distinct guidance for digital packaging with multi-sensory approach using accessible website technologies intended for online marketing and e-tailing. It is projected that the use of this instrument will contribute to the positive evaluation of product during online shopping, while influencing online shoppers' purchasing decision and enhancing their emotional and sensory experience. This wraps up the presentation. Thank you for your attention.